Ocean robots are known as underwater vehicles. They are used for scientific research, environmental monitoring, underwater exploration, and maintenance of offshore infrastructure. Remotely operated vehicles are controlled by humans on board the ship. They can be equipped with cameras, manipulators, and specialized tools for specific missions. Autonomous underwater vehicles can collect data and perform tasks without human intervention. They can navigate complex terrain, and perform tasks like mapping the seafloor or monitoring water quality. Underwater gliders can collect data for long durations and distances with minimal energy. They are used for studying ocean currents, temperature profiles, and biological activity. Ocean robots are used in studying marine life, mapping the seabed, and understanding oceanographic processes. They are used in locating and extracting minerals and energy resources from the seabed. Ocean robots are used in tracking pollution levels, monitoring climate change, and protecting endangered species. They are used in aquaculture, underwater construction, and maintenance of offshore infrastructure.